big news coming in from Rajasthan. Gehlot government moves the confidence motion in the Rajasthan Assembly. This is right this minute. Information coming in that Gehlot government moves confidence motion in Rajasthan Assembly. Remember, the trust vote was supposed to take place. It was expected by 3 p.m. Here, information coming in that Rajasthan government Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot there already moves a confidence motion in the Rajasthan Assembly. In fact, Ashok Gehlot, it was quite a buoyant mood that they were displaying. Congress, Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, his party members, all looking very confident. They did arrive very clearly, stating that they have the numbers. The BJP's alleged tactics to dismantle their government has failed, and even though despite the BJP has called for a no confidence motion, here is Chief Minister Gehlot already initiating a trust vote. Chief Minister Gehlot moves the confidence motion in the Rajasthan Assembly. Information just coming in. In fact, Sachin Pilot, after almost a month of acrimonious wait and backlash from both sides, finally came back to the party fold, with Gehlot there apologizing to Sachin Pilot. Nonetheless, Pilot has not got his position back as the Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan. He remains an MLA, a party member. He's come back to the party fold with a few promises made by the Congress High Command, we hear, but yet a decision on that, on what position he would hold eventually in days to come, it would be made clear. But as of now, Sachin Pilot back into the party fold. He's joined hands with Gehlot. Gehlot now having the strength of 121. We have now joining us on the phone line Devankur, please go on. Tell us what's happening right there at the Assembly. We hear Chief Minister Gehlot has moved the trust vote.
Well, the Rajasthan government has bringing a confidence motion in the Rajasthan Assembly. The Business Advisory Council will be, will be studying the motion, and after that, the government can be allowed to go for the confidence motion. Right now, the Rajasthan Assembly has been adjourned. Its proceedings have been adjourned till 1 p.m. After the House resumes, the Speaker can, in consultation with the Business Advisory Committee, take a call on whether to allow the confidence motion today itself or to postpone it for another day.
Right. Dave, give us more detail on what's happening inside right now. What's been the reactions from BJP leaders who are yet to come in, raise several questions on the governance that's taken backseat? We expect it to be a stormy session at 3 p.m. Have you heard from them?
Well, the BJP is yet to put forth its no confidence motion, but as I mentioned, the House has been adjourned till 1 p.m. and the leaders of the Congress are coming out of the Assembly, of the House of the Assembly. The media is not allowed with cameras inside the Rajasthan Assembly House, and that is why we are stationed at the porch. And right now what is happening is that the House has been adjourned, and after the House resumes, the government can mention that it has put forth a confidence motion, and the Speaker can take a call on it in consultation with the Business Advisory Committee. It can wait in case the BJP puts forth its no confidence motion, and after that a final decision on the matter can be taken. But the Congress government in Rajasthan clearly believes that it has the numbers. It has mentioned that it has the support of 121 MLAs and that it has nothing to fear as far as the stability of this government is concerned after the return of the pilot group MLAs, and right now it believes that it is poised to win the confidence motion and wants to get over and done with it. And that is why you see the Congress ministers, the Congress MLAs and the independents and the MLAs who were earlier with the BSP in a buoyant mood, mentioning that they want the confidence motion to be brought about and thereafter passed in the Rajasthan Assembly.
Right. Devankur, thank you very much. We're going to come back to this. Here is quite some action taking place at the Rajasthan Assembly, which is now adjourned for, in fact, a few hours until the Assembly session, the special session there begins, possibly at 3 p.m. Here is Ashok Gehlot, the Chief Minister there, moving a trust vote. This comes right after a month-long standoff between the Congress Chief Minister as well as his deputy. Now finally with the two patching up, here is Gehlot there moving a confidence motion in the Rajasthan Assembly.